Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the logistics and the logistics in broad terms. What does it mean? What's the relation between design and construction industry? Obviously, when as the time changes, we are in 2022 now. The demands from clients with the help of Instagram and social media is actually almost limitless now, because they see everything in their phones, and they require those things as much as possible, as close as possible. So it gives us a problem to solve as designers and contractors, to bring certain elements, certain materials outside our local offices. In that context, logistics means to bring a material from international resources, understanding the existing problems in the transportation, the rules of the company, the limitations of the material along with the transportation industry. I can give a couple of examples at the end of the talk. You need to know basically which company is going to which holiday, so that you don't have any late delivery and loss of time and money in your projects. So international transportation, mainly by shipping and airplane, you need to know practically everything about those holidays, the minimum and maximum standards, the total weights that you need to take by plane and by ship. And this is very easy, can be easily done, but you need to follow up these things as designers, mainly if you want to do what you really want, you care. Once it comes to the country, the clearance of the material is quite important. There might be some additional taxes which will also delay the process, and you need to make sure that the paperwork is clearly and strictly followed. There is no ambiguity there. Of course, the insurance is also very important here. You need to carefully do the insurance, and after the clearance, you need to always talk about the transportation, the logistics within that city, from the shipping or the airport, shipping the cost. Now, after you within the city, when you're bringing to the area, it might be a certain part of the city that you need another permit to enter or exit. So you need to consider those things also. Now, the main problems happens actually within the building that you're going to build, whether it's a new building or an existing building. You need to make sure the vertical and horizontal transportation is clearly, the ownership has been given to the right company with the right cranes, elevator, and the timeline and the sequence of transportation has been clearly mentioned. We have seen a lot of delays and a lot of cost and time impacts in many of the jobs that we have been, and unfortunately, either the project was late, or we had to spend a lot of money to accelerate the job. So we would like to tell our colleagues, especially in the decision making power, whoever has the power of selection and decision making, they have to consider the logistic part of things, so that the projects will not be delayed. Thank you.